Welcome back. In this video, I'd like to show you how to create a link on your home screen to a Knowledge Forum view. So I'll start by navigating to the website, which in this case is kf6.ikit.org. I'll put in my username and password and log in. Then I'll navigate to my community. And finally, I'll navigate to the view that I want as my home view, or that I want a shortcut to. So in this case, I'll click on Wildlife. So once I'm on the view, I can go up to the top right corner, those three vertical dots, click on that to access the menu, and then near the bottom it says Add to Home Screen. I'll click on that, and then I'll set my name. So in this case, I'll set it to Wildlife View and click Add. And click OK. Now when I navigate back to my home screen, you'll notice that I have a new icon, in this case in the top left-hand corner. So I can hold that and drag it to wherever I want it to be. So I hope you found this helpful, and I hope to see you in the next video.